Hey, guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is about the 5 best apps to make an audio visualization. If want to make visualization on a phone, then you must try this app. All of these apps are available on Play Store. Let's start the video. If are new to my channel, then please subscribe to the channel and like this video. The number 5 is Spectrum Music Visualizer. This app is a music visualizer app. Generate visual effects from your music app, music library, or microphone input. How to use: play a song in a music app. Launch this app. When the full screen ad is displayed, a close button will appear after a few seconds. Exported videos can be shared and used. The number 4 is Ben's Music Visualizer and Lyrics Video Maker. Now you can create a music video with lyrics. This is powerful music visualization app that allows you to edit existing templates and convert them into videos. Promote your new single, music album, or channel with immersive and rhythmic visuals. Only 5 steps. 1. Choose the template. 2. Select audio. 3. Set background images and text. 4. Check the preview. 5. Convert to video. The number 3 is Audio Vision for video makers. It is a fully featured music player which allows you to create music videos for your videos at the same time. First, you pre-compute the visualizations for the song you want to create the music video for. Then you can save 60 frames per second video containing selected visualizers at various quality levels and resolutions. The pre-computation speed, video export speed, and maximum video resolution depend on the hardware of your device. The number 2 is Visualization Video Maker. Visualization Video Maker is an application to create videos from photos and music with infinite customizable capabilities. The application is completely free and constantly updated with new features. Choose a favorite track, a beautiful image, and insert some effects to create a great video just as you like. The main features of the Visualization Video app include creating videos with falling effects, creating videos with the audio spectrum. The number 1 is Chksnd. Music visualization made easy. Chksnd allows you to create awesome music videos with an audio visualization. It provides tons of features to customize your audio spectrum and particles. The integration of Unsplash and SoundCloud makes Chksnd a powerful tool to create incredible videos. Start making your visualization today and share it on your favorite social media. Thanks for watching the video. If are new to my channel, then please subscribe to the channel and like this video. We are very close to 10K subscribe.